Hi everybody, Sarah at Caddy Garage. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update on our 1960 Cadillac Flattop here. Unfortunately, the news is not good. The gentleman that I purchased the car from will actually be here on Thursday to pick it up and refund my money. He was very good to stand behind that because I bought the car in good faith thinking that I could go to DMV and just get a title for it easily. But apparently there's something going on with this one. The VIN is already in the system in Nevada within the last year and a half is what I was told from DMV. And so somebody has a title for it out there, but it's not me and I can't obtain it without that other title. So I could do like a lien sale or a bonded title, but I don't want to do that. You know, I like to sell cars with a clean title in my name so that there's no problems for the next buyer. I want to just keep my reputation, you know, good. I'm very particular about things like that. So like I said, he'll be here on Thursday to pick this one up, unfortunately, and he can do all the sorting out of those problems. So he says that he will be selling the car in the future, so maybe you guys can locate it from him and get it from him. But that's the update on our 60 flat top. So yeah, I wish the news was better. But anyway, thank you guys as always for watching my videos, and I will see you guys on the next Caddy that I get. I'm actually on the way here soon to go check on one that I have my eyes on that needs rescuing. So anyway, if you guys like my videos, maybe consider hitting the super thanks button at the bottom. But as always, thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you next time. Have a very blessed day, everybody. Take care.